Okay, everyone. This is the removal of a sensor. As you can see, I already cut the plug. Okay, this is the position inside. As you can see, that's the sensor. So this is the lock, and he is the number one mechanic. The foundation of
This one puller.
NVHH.
Tell me puller. This one puller.
Okay,
The one
there is
puller
a
same like
special
this.
puller for
Sensor.
removal of this
Yes,
sensor.
wait, wait,
Okay.
wait, wait. Same like this.
Balance. Okay, everyone who do not know how to remove, and it is easy, but returning of the the new one, it is little bit good. You have to put seam to keep the wire well exactly on the hole. Okay, this seam wire is guiding to bring inside the sensor. Again, it's a sensor inside, and then whenever the seal of this piston, we're taking care not to damage it. So now it's ready to fix the. एक minute, kapra 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 kapsara. Okay.
It's position, huh?
Ah, okay.
Upside.
Oh, fucking Maria, fucking Maria.
Better. Robot push it back. No damage.
Okay, no problem. Little bit tight.
No, no. This one
Ah.
turning a little damage sensor.
لا 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 ما في مشكلة. ما في
Turning
مشكلة.
को
It's
थोड़ा बहुत.
already that is هذا السير معلومة ده داخل ويجي سلسل هذا.
ऐसा
يجي
सारा.
سير داخل ورا بر inside برا inside برا هذا كده. This is the 14M breather removal and fixing of a new sensor. Arbab, Assalamualaikum. Now we are tightening. After that, we are ready for testing. क्या हुआ है? गान मारेगा? This is a fucking shalala.
Oh, no, no, no. I don't tell
This is a
this.
fucking shalala. See, husband those making this fixing of a steering sensor. Very easy.
Don't.
हाँ बाकी नहीं जी मियाँ मियाँ शक्ल
More tight, more tight.
ना ना
Last day के बाद.
बाकी जरूरी टाइट है ना बाकी okay. This is a shortcut way of fixing sensor. This 5 minutes fixing sensor. Ball jointed the damage.
Robert, how much they in this?
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Ah, start it ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು
Ram?
देख पारी ला ना पारी ला वो तो कम जाने आ इधर भैया क्या इधर लगा
What you said, Nabit?
how much they in
Sensor? 3,000 dirham.
रुको मरा
Easy and shortcut idea for fixing a new sensor. So no replacement of a new seal, only taking care by slowly removal. Okay, so we spend only for a sensor.
फोट मारा जा हैं हो गया मन गया तो यार दावा नहीं करी ना हैं कहने नहीं करी चले रिटर्न गई लॉक लॉक
Bring here, bring here. So now I'm going to fix the wire or the sensor socket. Okay. That's all. Now finish. Oh my god. Okay. See. Hello. Oh, why did you do? Why did you click into? Okay, now it's already finished. So also I fixed the socket. Okay. So ready for testing. بندو زي صبر انا اسوي جرب اول.
لا
اوكي
هذا ما يجي برا
ما في مشكله ما يجي برا خلي هذا كده بس انا اجرب شوف يجي مظبوط ولا ما في مظبوط.
خلاص
اوكي
خلاص.
now fix the wire one hand. Okay, check any leaking. Battery switch.
5 mo hambara.
Ah, هذا مشكلة. بس انت شوف في يجي ليكينج ولا ما في. Before, when I switch it on, the steering is showing. Steering light or steering. Les,
Let one bolt tight.
so you can see the monitor now. We will see if there is any warning. Oh, that is good. So I think the fixing of sensor is success. So the sensor now is brand new or new. Ah,
Okay, Robert.
start.
Okay, start.
شوية بعيد ملا steering ها.
Hammer, hammer into.
Okay. The steering is now good. There's no any problem I've seen right now. I think the ball joint it is heavy loose, but it is okay. Okay, there's no any showing of okay, the steering now almost perfect. So that's all for now. I hope that this video will help for everyone on how the removal of steering sensor. Remove. Okay.